In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy frontend on Netlify. By the end, you'll have your site live on a Netlify URL using the simplest approach, and you'll understand the other options you'll see along the way so nothing feels confusing. First, head to Netlify in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Projects. This is where Netlify groups everything you build and host. On the Projects page, choose Add New Project. That opens a start screen with a few different ways to get your site online. You'll notice an option to start building with an AI agent. This is a guided AI-assisted workflow that can scaffold and configure a project for you. It's helpful if you're exploring or want suggestions, but you don't have to use it today. You'll also see import a Git repository. That path connects to a Git provider and is great for frameworks or sites you want to auto-deploy from your main branch. If your site is already in a repo and uses a build step, that's a solid choice for later. For now, choose Upload your project files. This is perfect for a static front-end or a prepared build output. On the upload screen, you can drag and drop your project folder, a zip file, or even a single HTML file to deploy instantly. A quick tip: make sure your project's entry point is easy to find, typically an index.html at the top level of your folder or inside the folder you're uploading. If you're zipping, put the index.html at the root of the zip, not nested several folders deep. If you prefer not to drag and drop, there's an option to choose a folder instead. Click, choose a folder, browse to your project's directory on your computer, and select it. Netlify will read the files and confirm what you're uploading. When you're ready, click Upload. You may see a brief progress indicator as your assets are transferred. After the upload completes, Netlify immediately creates a new site for you and assigns it a temporary URL. You can open that link to view your front end live. If the page doesn't look right, double check that the correct files were at the root of what you uploaded and that any assets referenced in your HTML use the right paths. That's all you need for a quick deployment. You went to Netlify, opened projects, added a new project, reviewed the available paths, chose to upload your files, and deployed by dragging, selecting, and uploading. Your front end is live and ready to share.